You guys looking for a recipe to spice up that Super Bowl party? Try my Taco Tater Tot Casserole. Super easy to make, not too bad for price. Let me show you what's all involved. Start off with 2 pounds of hamburger, or if you want to use turkey or whatever type of meat you want for your tacos. This one is 1.6 pounds, so it's a little bit light, but that's okay. Next, 1 package of taco seasoning. I got the hot and spicy because that's what I like. Get the style that you like. Some shredded cheese, 1 can of whole corn, 1 can of Fiesta cheese, 1 can of cheddar cheese, and 1 bag of tater tot. Let's go ahead and fix this up. So I purchased all the ingredients at my local grocery store. The total was $16.85 for all these items. And we have the Fiesta cheese, the corn, the cheddar cheese, tater tots. I went a little overboard. I got the Taco Bell cheese there, hot and spicy, and the hamburger. And we're going to start out, we'll go ahead and fry up this hamburger, and then we're going to add the taco seasoning. Once we finish browning the hamburger, we'll go ahead and drain the grease out, and then we'll add the taco seasoning following the instructions. And it says to add 3/4 cup of water per package. Okay, I've drained the grease out of the hamburger. We'll go ahead and add 1 package of taco seasoning. And like it said, 3/4 cup of water. Once I have this blended all together, I'll go ahead and add the corn and the 2 cans of cheese soup right to this mixture. Make sure you drain the water out of your corn before you dump it in. And I just dumped the whole can right in there. Open the soups up. This is cheddar cheese, Campbell's cheddar cheese soup. Just a blob like that. And then we have Fiesta nacho cheese soup. And you can see the water from the taco seasoning has not completely evaporated yet, which is just fine. Now we're going to mix all this together. I got the heat at about medium right now. Just get this mixed in real good. There, that looks pretty good. I'm going to cover this and let it simmer for a little bit. Alright, it's been simmering here for a little while, and I've been stirring it in between. And you can see that the cheese really melted in there real nice. Next thing we're going to do, I have a 8x12 pan right here, and we are going to dump the entire contents into that pan. Alright, let's go ahead and dump all this in there. Kind of like playing with concrete. Pat it down. Now it's time for the tater tots. Let's open them up and we'll start laying them out. So after you have your tater tots all laid out like that, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and preheat the oven. And I usually go about 25 degrees less than the tater tot bag says for an additional 10 minutes. That way they get nice and crispy, and there's enough juices in the mixture down below that they're not going to get overdone. So in this case, it said 450 for 25 minutes. I'm going to set it at 425 for 35 minutes. All right, here we go. This is after the oven went off. I shut the timer off. I shut the oven off. And now I'm going to put our 7-layer cheese. You can use any sort of shredded cheese. I'm going to go ahead and put this on here. And I'll use a whole bag because I don't have anything else to use this cheese for. And we like our stuff cheesy here. I'll go ahead and put that back in the oven with the oven off, just to let the cheese melt for about 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, we'll go ahead and let this thing set up for about 15 minutes. Then it'll be real easy to cut and stick together and serve up. Okay, I am starving after making this. Let's go ahead and cut. I'm gonna cut a big chunk here. This is awesome as leftovers as well. There we go. Come on. Oh yeah. Smoking hot. Taco Tater Tot Casserole. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Does this look like something that you'd like to have at your Super Bowl party? I know I will.